So hi guys, we're here at the airport waiting for our flight. Time check, 4:20. And our flight is 8 o'clock. So we're here for hours. Tired na? We've been awake for like, how many hours? Huh?
Too many.
Too many? We woke up like around 5. Yeah, we're awake since 5 a.m. That's why myself is sleepy and cranky na. Waiting. Qatar. Let's go to Qatar. We're going to Qatar. Joke lang. Myself is laughing at me. So guys, bag check off. It's all green. My hand carry and my bag, laptop bag. Then my iPad is green. And my nails. My sabon man is blue. And the shoes is blue at the back. Mine is green. My sabon is wearing green because it's my favorite color. But this phone case is blue and the cup that I bought from Adidas. We have the same phone case. When the wife is bored and the husband is asleep. We're boarding. Wow. He slept while waiting. Now he has energy and meat. To sleep. Time to sleep for Mickey. Tawag. It's so cranky na because we're tired.
Okay.
It's raining in Manila.
Stow your hand luggage properly under the seat.
Bye, Manila.
Or storage bin next above you. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, read carefully the passenger briefing card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in case of emergency, please ask the cabin crew to reseat you.
Ready to play.
Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is being refueled. As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt and put your seat back upright. Use of electronic devices such as laptops, mobile phones, tablets, and
These all our things. And me, just our passports and our tumbler. Because I packed all that. So, it's his turn. Whenever we travel, I pack. And then he carries the things. Boom! Taka, you're so pogi. It's like, Dubai Mall daw. You remember when we walked to Dubai Mall? Huh? It's like never ending. So guys, look at your airport. It's so nice. So clean. No? So neat. Welcome to Malaysia. Taga, look here. You're not smiling. They will think you're cranky na. He's just tired and hungry, guys. Okay, almost at the immigration. Almost at the immigration. Passports. So we're gonna exchange money after the immigration, right? There, oh, all other passports here.
Huh?
Arrival hall. Huh? We got here. Guys, it's so nice in here. Black and green. Is that the outside? The bed and the view. Happy check. Success. And their toilet. Box and eating. So clean. It's a small room but spacious. So we can work here and there because we need to work. So here's the outside of our Airbnb. But guys, it's very Dubai vibes. I feel like we're in Dubai. There's lots of like my friends. Yes, Mas Haba. And 7-Eleven is just across, and then food, restaurants, juice bar. We're on the 33rd floor. Very Dubai vibe talaga. Guys, this is what I ordered. Thank you. Looks like pasta. Yeah. And then we ordered burger.
Chinese hamburger.
So we're the only people here. I think they're still closed. They just opened the light for us. Okay, so pogi man. Sako, look here.
Okay.
It's a pogi. My Sako will try my food.
I didn't mean your food.
Let's see if it's good. You're gonna share me the burger, huh? Is it good? Wow. Okay, it's time to eat. This is my Sako's food. Mainit.
Of course.
Go.
That's my What do you mean? What do you mean go?
Doesn't look like a burger, no?
It's a Chinese burger. It's not gonna look like an American burger or like a McDonald's burger. Spiky. You know.
Good. Like it? You like it? Masarap? It's my turn. Like fancy. Yan, dito. Dito mo dito. Masarap. So, time check. 3:26 a.m. here in Malaysia. Ay, there's no time difference pala in the Philippines. But this is what it looks like in the middle of the night. Ah, this is the durian pala. No? Durian is not allowed in our Airbnb.
That's not like that's what.
Now we're going to 7-Eleven to buy water and things, stuff, foods, whatever. Most of them are open in the middle of the night. So this is our Airbnb. Uy, there's a small rat. Why there's so many rats? Ayaw. Liquor, wine, beer. Guys, if you want to drink. So, here go to 7-Eleven na. Tolak. Uy! That's Tagalog to. Asa ako eh. Tolak. Tolak means push. Uy. Guys, tolak. Tulak in Tagalog and here. Same meaning. Push. Different spelling lang. Tolak. Si addict daw. Addict.
Wala naman sa ako showing my way.
Infinity food. Tomorrow we're gonna see. But the view. Nice ako taking pictures. My asawa ko. Where's the mall?
Huh?
So guys, we've been seeing this Twin Tower for so many years. Now we're here.
Ay, what the fuck?
The Twin Tower. Loves building, so here's some taking pictures.
Well, that's what building. They left city.
Ah, he has disclaimer pa. You have disclaimer, ha? Other side naman. Go. What's the sleeping lion, no? See, look. Oh, this is the smoking
Careful,
area. The smoking area. Wow, this view is better.
They have the garden up there, though, on top of the building. Like any nature.
Ay, that's very fast to us.
Yeah, yeah, that's the fancy, expensive places.
I mean, so just anytime na. We're lost.
No.
Huh? Nice in here, no? What's the tower na? That's famous too, eh. Perfect. Then there's gym there, guys. So you'll see this guy wearing gym clothes. Here. So guys, we're going to the designer mall. Yes, sir. The stores are like Gucci, Versace on the floor. And their outfits are like locals, wearing Havaianas and shorts.
Not really local here. That's local Philippines.
Local Filipinas. You're a local Filipino.
But we're not in the Philippines.
Even if we go to Mall of Asia, I wear sleepers. Wearing Havaianas. So what's this mall again? Pavilion Mall? And these are the restaurants. Look at our outfits.
Basically the Los Angeles Mall in Malaysia.
So it's like in the Philippines, like Greenbelt or Glorieta.
Yes.
In Makati. So everything's open now because it's already 10:16 a.m.
It's our 10:16 p.m.
Louis Vuitton. What's this one? Umbrella. What's that? Oh, the money. Oh. There's so many Malaysian ringgit in there. Oh, they have mashed ice cream. We're going to... Where are we gonna eat? Five Guys? Going to Five Guys. Because the last time we ate it, we were in Dubai. So guys, let's see. You can see the big mall. Fahrenheit. I've been wondering about this Fahrenheit because I saw it. I can't remember where I saw it. Wait lang po. It says wait. But in the Philippines, even if it says wait, you can go. Go. So we're gonna be deported. It says wait, oh.
If you're in public, you'll be deported.
Yeah, guys, PDA is not allowed here. Just holding hands. But we can stop like spanking each other's sweat. Go here or there? There? There's a skateboard oh.
Yeah, probably.
Louis
3,000.
Dollars. Wait, it's so nice, guys. Woo, malamig. It's very Dubai Mall vibe. But we didn't walk far. No. Christian. How do you pronounce that? Whatever. So here's the level 1 food because we're gonna eat. You sure there's 5 guys here? Let's go ask the ate. Let's go ask. Is there 5 guys here?
If it here, turn right.
Okay, thank you. Exit here, turn right. Salamat. Oh guys, thank you here is salamat. Like salamat in Tagalog. Yeah, se. Letter E. Salamat. So many foods. Restaurants. This is a huge mall, no?
Yeah.
Dago.
Famous mall, Louis.
Ah, really? There, the 5 guys, we found it. Oh, they open 10:30, so
Now they open 11. We have to go find the
we need to find extension.
grape.
Huh?
Grape frappuccino.
Ew. Because they didn't inform us on the Airbnb that the plug is like in Dubai. Like that, guys. Like that.
And you can bring your adapter.
Yeah, you need to bring your adapter. So we're going back to 5 guys because we already bought this. This is their plug oh, in their Airbnb. So we need something like this. There, it's 26 Malaysian ringgit. So we convert that's like 350 pesos. Less than $10. Like 7, 8. Yeah. So hopefully this won't explode. Joke lang. Why are you so serious? You're so cranky na. Go to sleep na. I'll eat na lang. On my own. Oh, this is the first floor na? Or 1 pa? This is the first floor. Let's go up na. 5 guys. Hello, look at the scooter. I want it. Sago. That chair will cost how much? For the scooter.
Oh, probably a bit of 100,000.
Here. Salamat. Oh, this is where we came from. And we need to go there. Ang bango. Baby dapot. Apo. Can go out here na? Go out here? Here's where we went out. Hi!
It says right here, then you come walking straight.
It says AED. So it's Arab Emirates dirham.
No, that's automated electronic defibrillator.
Ah.
Basically,
I thought Arab Emirates dirham. Ah.
So if I pass out, that's what it's defibrillator.
Thought we're in Dubai talaga. Let's go. Here's our order. Okay, so we had double patty, right? Dinner fries, and then 1 drink. I miss 5 guys. Then my sawa was doing something. I'll blur it. So yeah, we're gonna eat babush.